Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I am here to show you some bakeware that I have. This one, let's look at the glass one first. This glass one is a Pyrex. It is square Pyrex bake pan, casserole pan, whatever way you want to use it. It has these lips on it to help pick it up, which is great. Glass, like I said. It is. It can be used in the microwave because it's glass, and because it's glass, you can see through it. So macaroni and cheese, you can actually see it cooking in here, bubbling, looking good. You can see that all parts of your macaroni and cheese is brown when you're cooking it, or any kind of casserole that you want to make. I always look at this pan and I go, gingerbread. It's my gingerbread pan, and because it really fits gingerbread well. Sometimes you just need a square pan, and this is one of those that you would use, and it's Pyrex, so it's just a good product. I've had this for millions of years. I had it a long time. And then I have this one. This is my Nordic Ware anniversary collection pan. And I use this it's a Bundt pan. And I use this mostly to make cakes, my big cakes. And they are big when I make, and it's a good size. It can hold my cakes and then some. So, you sometimes, at least with my cakes are big. And so I need a big pan for them. And this is a good one for that. And it's got a nice weight to it also. The cakes come out beautiful because the design in these pans, they're just great. I really, truly enjoy these pans. I got 2 of these, definitely. And I use them during the holidays, or at least because it's the holidays, I make more than one cake. So I definitely would use this for that. But it's just a great pan. And so 2 more of the pans I keep in my house and that I enjoy are these 2 pans.